The Himalayas form a barrier between the Indian subcontinent and the Tibetan plateau. Their name means abode of snow, and the world's highest mountains are found here.
The Himalayas are sublime. You look out and you feel like you can see to the ends of the earth. You feel connected to everything all at once, and yet you feel very small.
In the valleys, the mountains shelter a mosaic of habitats, each with its own unique plants and wildlife.
The people who live there are certainly the most welcoming of any people I've ever lived with. And they have a common bond, they have a spiritual association with the mountains.
The Himalayas profoundly shape the lives of the people who live there, but their influence is also felt by many who live far beyond their realm.
The Himalayas are, of course, the largest mountain chain on Earth. But beyond that, they are also a collection of snow-clad mountains and glaciers, which are the water supply to 40% of the planet.
With spring comes the thaw, and meltwater is released slowly from the glaciers and snow. It's the source of the great rivers of Asia, the lifeblood of countries bordering the Himalayas, such as India and China. And each year, the monsoon replenishes the stocks of ice and snow.
Keeping those snows alive, keeping the glaciers going, is basically what nature does for us, and yet we are destroying that cycle because of climate change.
With rising global temperatures, the glaciers are melting faster than they're being replenished. They're slowly retreating, and the water they hold in their frozen grip is disappearing.
The Himalayas give us one of the most precious things we have on Earth, which is fresh water. And this is priceless, not only in its material form, but also in its spiritual and sacred forms.
The future of billions of people depends on the great gift of water from the Himalayas, a wilderness endowed with the power of nature.